Welcome to Blender 4.5 course part 6. In the previous chapter I've introduced the modeling tools. Now I want to create a model from scratch. You can access to all chapters and the other parts from the playlist here, and also the link is in the description. I want to create a model, and the primitive shape I need, press Shift A and mesh, and it's cylinder. In this list appeared here, I can change the vertices, count, the radius, the depth or height of the cylinder, and right now let's shape the bottle. Here, this height is good. Press tab to go to the modeling mode, press 3 to go to the face mode, and here I need to press E key to extrude, or using this tool. Alright, and press S key to scale it down. Now I need to press the shift and the space and move it up in the Z axis. Press E key, extrude, and press S key like this. Right. Press E key again, and E, then S. Alright. And press E key again. Here I have this shape. As you can see, the extrude tool is very useful and very applicative in many 3D models. Press E key, S to scale it down, E again to extrude, and S. Right, then press E key for the top. Here I want to curve this area. Many people use extrude. For example, E and then S, E and then S, E and then S. But I don't want to use this method because it's not accurate and take a while. Instead, I can use bevel. I will upload every chapter of the course every week. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification to know about the new chapters and new tutorials. Press the 2 key to select the edge mode and select this edge loop. Instead of selecting multiple edges using the shift key, I can press Alt and left click to select the edge loop. No, the edge loop is selected. And press Ctrl B or this button to apply the bevel. And here I have a bevel, but the previous operation has been applied here. I need to select this for profile type, and here this is good, and I have a curve here. Increase the width and decrease the segments. They are very high. Alright, good. Now I need to remove the top area. Here I need to press the Alt key and select the poly group. The face mode is active, and press shift and left click to select this area. Press delete button, and here in this menu press faces if you want to remove the faces. Alright, now go to the edge mode using the 2 key on your keyboard and Alt and left click to select the edge loop, and press the E key to extrude. But as you can see, we have a free extrude tool and it's not good. I need to press the right click to cancel it, but the new polygons have been created. I just need to move them up manually. Alright, press E to extrude again and cancel it. Press S to scale it up, and E key again, and here I need to move it up manually, and this is good. Here I need to fill this gap, and I can use the face menu and then press fill or grid fill. Let's see the differences here. This is a fill. We have irregular shape and edges, or use grid fill, and this is so better. Now I've destroyed the edge loop actually, because if I select the Alt and left click, which is useful for selecting the edge loop, you can see these areas have not been selected. I need to press the Shift to select multiple edges and Alt and then click, and here again and again. And I need to bevel it. Press Ctrl B and here bevel. But I need to decrease the segments, and one segment is better. Be careful about the width. Alright, good. Here at the center I want to apply a specific shape like steep. I can use actually the loop cut and also the bevel. I can use the loop cut. Here select the loop cut, and here select this edge loop and press left click to apply. Now I want multiple cuts. Here I need to increase the number of cuts, and this is good. Alright, now I have multiple cuts on the mesh. Here let's select this edge loop, Shift and Alt this, and it's good. And I didn't need to press the Shift and space and scale. Here I need to change the scale Z, scale X, scale Y. Alright, this is good. As you can see, we have hard polygons or faces here, and this is not good. I need to smooth it. I need to select the mesh and the default view, not modeling view, and select the mesh, right click, and here we have three options: shade smooth, shade auto smooth, and shade flat. If I press the shade flat, I don't see anything because this object is currently flat and has hard faces. If I press the shade smooth, as you can see, we have a smooth object, but destroys some necessary hard edges. Here I need to have hard edges here, and for this area here, and this is not good. So we have an option, shade auto smooth, but it has some issues. Let's select it, and as you can see here, we have a better shape here, and this is smooth. But here, as you can see, we have hard edges. This is good, but in this area we don't have hard edges, and I need to fix it manually. Here I need to go to the modeling mode and edge mode and select these edges. Press Shift and Alt here. Alright, right click or go to the edge menu. I prefer right click, and here mark sharp. Press mark sharp, and as you can see, we have the sharp edges. You can do it with any edges you want. For example, this edge as well. Here, Alt and left click, right click, mark sharp, and this is very good. We have a beautiful model here. In the next part, I will explain how to create color and material for it, and I'll deep dive into the material and shader design. Also, you can get this bottle with its materials and textures at blackcave.com/store, and the link is in the description. Of course.